In the world of e-commerce, Shopify stands as one of the most prominent success stories. Not only has it enabled countless of entrepreneurs to establish and grow their online businesses, but it's also achieved remarkable financial milestones. In this case study, we delve deep into how Shopify utilized the power of SEO to generate over $1 billion in revenue. We'll explore the strategies, tactics, and key takeaways that contributed to their SEO success. But before we dive in, let's see what Ahrefs can tell us about Shopify. As you can see from these statistics taken from the last 6 months, Shopify's domain rating, meaning the strength of Shopify's backlink profile compared to the other websites in Ahrefs' database on a 100-point logarithmic scale is 95. UR rating, which shows the strength of Shopify's backlink profile on a 100-point logarithmic scale, is 33. Backlinks, meaning the total number of links from other websites pointing towards Shopify, is 1.8 million. Ref domains, meaning the total number of unique domains linking to Shopify, is 10.5 thousand. Keywords, meaning the total number of keywords that Shopify ranks for in the top 100 organic search results, is 107,000. Traffic, meaning the estimated number of monthly visits that Shopify gets from organic search, is 353,000. And here you can see Shopify's top pages, how much traffic each page gets, and volume. Understanding Shopify's background. Shopify started as a simple e-commerce platform back in 2006. Over the years, it evolved into a comprehensive e-commerce ecosystem, offering entrepreneurs everything they need to set up and manage online stores. As of 2021, Shopify boasts over 1.7 million businesses in more than 175 countries. The importance of SEO. SEO plays a pivotal role in Shopify's success. It's a cost-effective way to drive organic traffic and increase sales. It involves optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results, ultimately leading to more visibility and potential customers. Shopify's SEO journey. Shopify recognized the significance of SEO early on. They made it a core part of their marketing strategy, investing time and resources to improve their website's search engine performance. Key SEO strategies. Shopify's SEO strategy was multifaceted. Keyword research. They identified relevant keywords that potential customers were searching for. High quality content. Shopify created valuable, informative, and engaging content that addressed customer needs and concerns. Backlinks. Building authoritative backlinks from reputable websites boosted their domain authority. Technical SEO. Optimizing site structure, page speed, and mobile friendliness enhanced user experience and search rankings. User experience. They prioritized a seamless shopping experience, focusing on easy navigation, fast load times, and mobile responsiveness. SEO content marketing. Shopify's blog became a valuable resource for e-commerce entrepreneurs. They produced content on various topics, from marketing tips to product guides. This not only helped their audience, but also improved their search engine rankings. Technical SEO optimization. Shopify invested in optimizing their website's technical aspects. This included improving site speed, optimizing images, implementing schema markup, and ensuring proper website structure. User experience and mobile optimization. Shopify understood that user experience is integral to SEO. They optimized their site for mobile devices, ensuring that customers had a seamless shopping experience, regardless of what device they used. Shopify's billion-dollar SEO impact. As a result of their comprehensive SEO efforts, Shopify's organic search traffic grew significantly. This increase in traffic translated into billions of dollars in revenue. Shopify's financial reports demonstrate the direct correlation between their SEO initiatives and revenue growth. Key takeaways. Long-term commitment. SEO is a long-term strategy that requires continuous effort and investment. Quality content. High-quality, relevant content is the backbone of successful SEO. Technical optimization. Don't overlook technical SEO. It's crucial for user experience and search engine ranking. Mobile first approach. Optimize for mobile devices as mobile search is on the rise. User experience matters. Providing a seamless shopping experience can lead to higher conversion rates. Shopify's journey from startup to a billion-dollar e-commerce giant was heavily influenced by their commitment to SEO. By focusing on keywords, content, technical optimizations, and user experience, they were able to drive massive organic traffic and achieve remarkable financial success. This case study serves as an inspiration for businesses looking to harness the power of SEO in their digital marketing strategies. If you found this case study helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more essential videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.